Good morning. Saturday morning. It's 8:49 a.m. in the morning. Yard sale season's over. It's November 4th. There is a sale that popped up. It's a heated garage sale. It's me and Josie. Well, hi, Josie. Say hi.
Hi.
Yay. It's me and Josie. We're going out and we're going to hit this sale. It's the only one today. I had the days mixed up. I thought today was the 5th. When I saw the ad yesterday, I saw the 4th and I thought, I missed it. And then I woke up this morning and realized it's the 4th and it's today. So we hurry up and rushed out of bed. We slept in finally. And we're heading to the sale. All right, enough talking. Let's get to flipping. Let's go see what we can get into.
Fire!
Whatever, kid. All right, so it's the end of the season. This was like a pop-up sale, so I took my daughter. She was all excited. Don't mind the trash on my floor there. It's like my little garbage can.
Yeah.
She's all excited. She wants to find toys at the yard sale, so I brought her along. She was up.
Hooked in.
She was up, so I brought her.
There.
And I had this day mixed up. I thought it was another day, and
There,
I
come over
decided
this
to
way.
go, and I came late, so we still got out and did stuff.
So I can open it up. Good morning.
Good morning. Even though I'm late, I still check the jewelry just in case. There's been a few times I've hit sales late and bought some crazy jewelry that should not have still been in boxes. One time I went to a sale. It was advertised costume jewelry. I got there about a half hour after it started, and there was a necklace there that I thought looked real good for $1. I paid the lady in 4 quarters. I got home and I scoped it out, and it was .750, 18 karat gold, and it weighed 33 grams. Got it for $1, and that was late. So you never know. Also hit one up in Clearfield. Hit it on the way to work.
Wow.
Got some gold for like $10.
Enough of those.
And there was a lady standing right by it.
Yeah.
Oh, there she's finding some toys.
Oh, okay.
Now check out shoes. There's some expensive shoes in the world. These aren't those, but they have that look.
These I would have to say are not real.
They didn't pass the non-counterfeit realm there. Those weren't real. How much are your shoes?
Those ones are 25 and the red ones are 20.
Magazine.
So I'm going to snapshot this shoe and check that one out. I think it was a LeBron James. Yeah, LeBron James shoe.
Yeah.
We're not getting that, right?
No. There's a certain texture to genuine Nike Airs that the counterfeits really can't mimic. Some get close, but
Okay.
some people get down
You
to
like this
smell
better
them.
than the troll, huh?
Yeah. I wish I could have it.
What's in this box? I wonder. Opening my Coke is.
Dad, what the heck's those?
I don't know. Just a 10-piece entertaining serving set. Housewares.
We got some
Pioneer
speakers.
speakers.
In an Alpine rock. got some nice kickers.
5 1/4. How much are your speakers?
He just walked away.
I don't
My
know.
other person that was doing this with me, but
Yeah.
I'm stranded on my own. There you go, Ashley. What is it? Which one are you looking at? The kickers?
Kickers and a Pioneer.
Some nice coats there, jean jackets. You know, hey, if you're looking for a coat in the wintertime and that's your size, the profit's obviously in the savings. You can go out and spend a couple $100 on a jacket or a coat. You can pick one up at the yard sale, pennies on the dollar.
Oh.
Oh. I like buying things like that to stick on my fence. I have a wood fence that I put them on. Decorator pieces. Josie has a little cough. She's got her little troll there. She's real interested in that troll.
For the Pioneer and 50 for the
Dad?
kickers.
I wish I could
50
have.
for both kickers?
Yeah.
Okay. What?
She wishes she could have that. Wish upon a star.
Or make me an offer and I'll go back and sell it to him.
Dad, I wish I could have this.
Okay, you can get it.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Take it home.
What?
I can take it home.
Yeah.
She's
What cost this thing?
We don't know.
Can we tell the girl?
Yeah.
Tell her.
You can say, how much is this?
I don't have any money.
Oh, I do.
Can you tell her? Because I don't have any money.
Okay.
she
How much is your troll doll?
Oh, the one with the long hair? 50 cents.
50 cents, Josie. Looks like
I
you
don't
don't.
have money.
Looks like you don't have enough. looks
Cute, I don't know.
looks like you don't have enough. I'll have to go get change.
Oh, they're $2 a piece or all 3 for $5. Because they're brand new.
Dad.
and everything.
What?
This is not a troll. That's a troll.
Yeah, whatever that thing is.
Hey, that's Poppy right there.
Poppy.
Yeah, Poppy from Trolls.
2 5 1/4 kickers.
Daddy, do you order for 1 second?
Look at the hair on that troll.
Pretty
Boo,
cool.
boo, 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 boo. Okay.
Kind of fun.
Yeah, kind of fun.
That's the toy section.
That's the toy section.
And what's that?
Now we're going to check to see if they're new. You can never get it back in the box the way they came out. You know? Always catch that little tab in the end.
I'd do 50 on the 3.
All right.
Okay, let me, oh, throw the doll in for free. That's why I have to get 50 cents.
50 for all 3 and throw the 50-cent doll in. Why not? Don't have any shame. Just do it.
Eight. It's brand new. It's never been out there.
Thank you.
The sound of that money. People love the sound of that money. Leave a comment down below. Do you like the sound of that? Some people really. I get a lot of comments from people that say they love the sound. And how do I get my money to sound like that? It's crispy sounding, isn't it? I just printed it up this morning. La, da, 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 da. Now, the microphone's real close by. That's why everything's
All right. Come on.
crispy and amplified. This is a nice view, huh? You're all taking a ride inside the box. So Josie got a troll. She was happy. Or a troll-like doll.
Thank you.
I should have asked you, did you want to buy
No,
that?
I'm good. Hey, thank you.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
Say bye. Thank you.
Should I have this girl?
Yeah. You got.
Why she have long hair?
I don't know. Yeah.
She won't let me go over.
Yeah, you struck yard sale gold. Your hair's a mess, kid.
I ripped her right out of bed and went to the sale.
All right, into the van.
Oh,
There's weapons in here.
Yeah.
There's a weapon that goes for $50 in here. I got the whole thing for, I paid $200, but there's a weapon that's $50. There's lots of figures. It's like 20 to 30 piece. This thing's gonna easily be like $500-600.
dang, nice. You know, Brent is
I think
excited.
last year I went to a yard sale up in Rockton. 3 Masters of the Universe,
full
still
energy.
sealed in the
Oh
package.
my God, you never find the sealed ones. That's
Right?
amazing.
One of them was Scareglow.
Oh my God.
I never knew what it was worth.
Did you get it though?
Yeah, $2 a piece.
There you
It
go.
went for $1,076.
Oh my God.
Yeah,
Awesome,
crazy.
man. Well, good luck. I'll see you again
Hey, yep.
several times.
Oh yeah.
These are some interesting dolls.
Good morning. Interesting dolls.
They're my baby.
Yeah. You paint them up yourself.
Yes, she does.
Very nice. Yeah. I'll bet. Very nice. Hey, have a good day.
All right, so we sold some of the speakers here. $30 for that set. $40 for that one, or actually, I think that was both of them. 2 grand. No, that was one, and we got 30 for the other set. So we did pretty good on those. We made our money back. All right, we got about 2 or 3 more episodes left. We're gonna do a greatest hits, and we're gonna do that farm machinery antique show next week, probably. All right, hey, thank you for watching, and keep on flipping. Until next week. All right, people, thank you. And please like and subscribe.